Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer not opening and hangs on. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your File Explorer not opening and hangs on when you open the File Explorer, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First, you just need to open the file. Just click on the start menu or search option. Then type here File Explorer option. Click on this File Explorer option. In this you can see here under General tab, open File Explorer to this PC. If it is selected as any other, suppose if it is selected as Quick Access, then select this PC, then apply, then click OK. After that, second option is click on start menu, then type here msconfig. Click on system configuration. In this you can see here services tab, click on this. Just check mark this option, hide all Microsoft services. Then click on disable all, click on apply, click OK. After doing these changes, it will ask to restart your PC. Just click on restart and your PC will be restarted. After that, just open Task Manager. Just press Ctrl Alt Delete or right click on this taskbar line, click on Task Manager. In this you can see a startup, click on the startup, and here you will find all applications. In this you can disable all unwanted applications which will start automatically when your PC starts. Just disable unwanted applications, select application, then click on disable. After this, once again you have to restart your PC, then click on start menu, then type here settings, click on settings, click on apps, click on default apps, scroll down. Here in last you will find reset all default app. Just tap to reset, then tap on OK. Then close this window. Again you have to click on start menu, then type here folder options. Click on this folder option. Click on General tab. Here you will find privacy. You have to uncheck all whatever find in your privacy. If it is check mark, then uncheck these options, click on apply, then click OK. After that, open File Explorer option again. Click on this View tab. In this you have to uncheck Preview Handlers in Preview pane. You can see here show preview handlers in preview pane. Just uncheck this option, click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. After doing all these settings, hope your issue has been resolved. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 File Explorer not opening and hangs on when you open. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.